In the two games that Talk and Text won, they averaged 102 points. But in the 3 losses that they sustained, 78 points lamang ang average nila. Kanya ang laki ng diferensya when they're winning and when they're losing.
If I'm not mistaken, that's the lowest output of Talk and Text, and that's the highest output naman of James Yap, in this conference.
In the entire tournament,
yes.
Correct, Coach. So Game 6 is underway. Ang BMEG in immaculate white. Ang Talk and Text naka-royal blue. 12 to shoot para sa Yamatos. And they go to the best import of the conference, Monster Bowls.
Si Kelly Williams nagbigay ng foul. Kelly Williams did not start last game for Talk and Text. In fact, did not start the last 2 games sa ating finals. Kita natin si Kelly Williams ang papantay dito kay Denzel Bowles. And they're gonna try to have Donnell Harvey save it for later.
Alam mo, napaka-importante nitong import matchup. And Denzel Bowles is actually giving the edge sa import matchup dito sa kanyang team. And what Donnell Harvey has to do is equalize mo lang, bigyan mo ng chance yung locals mo to win the game for you. Just cancel out the imports and give your locals a chance, which they can do.
Something that Donnell Harvey has done perhaps in the first 4 games. Quits lang.
Quits lang.
Oh, actually, hindi naman napapansin yung opensa ni Harvey, but he's been putting up very decent numbers as an import.
Exactly. So, importante dito yung import matchup din natin. In order for Talk and Text to have a chance at this game, he should at least cancel out the performance of Denzel Bowles.
Missed by Bowles. Rebound. James Yap, and he missed it. And a steal by Intal. JC Intal. And Bowles missed it. Bola kaya na kay Jimmy. Jimmy, pinasa, Harvey. Wala pang puntos dito ang Talk and Text. Jimmy tumira at tulakan muna. Tulakan si Pingris at si Donnell Harvey.
Ito na yung physicality ng laro na sinasabi natin, And that's the right idea for BMEG. Kung kaya mo rin lang gawing physical itong larong ito, sustain the physicality, pagod na ang Talk and Text, that's gonna give you an advantage.
And you notice si Mark Pingris ang bumabantay doon kay Donnell Harvey. There's gonna be another foul against the PMEG defense.
Si JC Intal tatawagan ng kanyang first personal foul.
Ito isang matchup na nakikita natin si Coach Tim Cone is very comfortable with. He's got a big guard in JC Intal, although they played somewhat with a zone defense ngayon ng BMEG.
Medyo a little surprising for them to play some sort of a zone right now.
There's a steal. Urbistondo steps on the brakes. Pasa muna kay James. James won't take the 3. James goes inside. Here's Bowles. Bowles kick out. Lots of time to shoot. Here's James. James Yap fires.
Well, BMEG looking very comfortable sa kanilang half-court set. At tuloy napatawag ng timeout ang Talk and Text.
Nanonood po kayo ng Game 6 ng PBA Finals, and the best way to describe the BMEG dugout before the game is controlled. May tension, pero yun din daw yung tension na naramdaman nila throughout the series, at may excitement, at yun naman ang gusto gamitin ni Coach Tim Cone bilang motivation para sa kanyang mga players. Basta from what I can tell, the best way to describe the players is that they're going to treat Game 6 as though they're coming from a loss na kailangan bawiin. Nico?
Once si Jessica pinunod niya talaga yan, because naturally, if you're 1 win away from a championship, merong tendency that you can get overexcited.
Of course. Kanina, yung mga layups ng BMEG, akala natin panigurado na, pero minimintis nila. First point para dito sa Talk and Text.
Nakita natin yung depensa ng BMEG, gumagamit sila ng 1-3-1. At medyo hirap yata ang Talk and Text not to go against that kind of a defense, so they have to settle for the outside shot. Lucky for Jason Castro, pumasok yung tira.
James Yap, pinasa, Ping, over to Intal. Shot clock down to 5. Intal, back to Pingris. Sakuragi with nowhere to go. Good defense by the Tropam Texters.
Medyo after that timeout by Coach Chot Reyes, the energy level of Talk and Text has gone up a notch. But that's still a block there.
Joshua Urbistondo with a basketball. Bimeg, lamang ng dalawa. Still in the opening quarter. Here's Urbistondo. He fakes. Bibigay muna kay Pingris. Shot clock down to 8. Here's James Yap for 3. Yes, sir!
Mainit pa rin si James.
Medyo bad sign ito para sa Talk and Text. James Yap is receiving the ball and he's touching it at will. So dapat siguro i-deny na nila, pahirapan na nila pagtanggap ni James ng bola.
Ito, miscommunication. You know, from a 1-3-1, gumamit sila ng 2-3 zone defense. So, paiba-ibang klase zone defense ang ginagamit ni Coach Tim Cone. At mukhang confused ang Talking Text at this stage.
Isang klarong-klarong depensa ang atid ng Clearman. 0 Dandro. Now back to live action. 8-3 ang ating score. Lamang ang Bimeg. Here's Urbistondo. Urbistondo fires a 3. Oh, good push by Bowles. Urbistondo pick the ball up.
Quicker to the basketball on the loose ball situation si Joshua Urbistondo.
Well, you couldn't ask for a better start dito, no? For BMEG, James Yap is clicking. They're getting into their defense and they're confusing actually the offense of Talk and Text. Ayan, no?
Here's Jimmy. Bago shot clock for Talk and Text. They're down by 7. Right now, Talk and Text, you know, they look befuddled dito sa early minutes.
Tama yung sinasabi ni Kinito, no? Na nag-iba ng depensa itong BMEG sa umpisa pa lang, ano? So, siguro wala sa game plan nila Coach Chot Reyes to be playing some sort of a zone against BMEG.
And meanwhile, offense is clicking for BMEG. It's a 9-point lead. Alam mo, malaking bagay yung kontribusyon ni Denzel Bowles, not only in offense, but being an intimidator and a shot blocker sa loob. No, kanina nakita natin yung kanyang shot block. And again, forcing Talking Text to take the outside shot. Hindi sila makapasok. Alam nila nandun si Bowles.
Here's Bowles! An explosive start para sa BMEG Planet. Lamang sila 14-3 sa mga unang bahagi ng Game 6. Let's go to Sel Guevara.
Magandang gabi po. Nakatuto kayo dito sa PBA on Active at ako po si Sel Guevara. This is a do or die game para sa Tropang Texas. Pero bago magsimula ang laro, the players seem relaxed. At sabi nga ni Larry po na share, they've been here so many times. But as I can see now, they have a straight look to their faces. But this game actually is very special for Jimmy Alabang because he is dedicating this to his brother and his father na may karamdaman ngayon. Balik sa inyo nito.
Well, tulad nga ng sabi ni Sel, as you saw that foiled BMEG fast break, itong Talk and Text, itong klaseng sitwasyon na ito is nothing new para sa kanila. They've been in this situation before, but Jimmy Alapag is a different story, Kinito, because yung kanyang may mga family problems siya na dinadala, and you know, coaching for a player, tao lang, it is human nature. You worry about your family while you worry about trying to win a championship.
Tama yan, pero you know, I heard this interview kay Jimmy Alapag, no, that yung mismong brother niya, pamilya niya, nagsasabi sa kanila, you focus on the game, assert your leadership, and I'm sure he's taking that to heart. Ano? Pero alam mo, kailangan medyo may gawin ng radical dito itong Talk and Text dahil medyo lumalayo na itong larong to habang maaga pa. Dapat dito na sila kumilos.
Here's Larry. Over the peak. Daming bagong tao dito sa unit ng Talk and Text. Peak with nowhere to go. Pero ginawa ng paraan.
Tatlo yung dinaanan niya doon. Si Ali Big. At tama yung sinabi kanina, no? Ni Coach Yeng and Nico. 4 players have been changed here by Coach Chot Reyes. Nakaupo na pati yung import nila. Very early in this game, pinaupo na nila si Donnell Harvey.
Shot clock down to 9. Here's Ital. JC going all the way and he was fouled.
And BMEG is just attacking the basket and they're going to the free throw line and they're getting fouled and they're very aggressive. That's exactly what you need to do in this situation.
Ito yung malaking diferensya sa depensa ng magkabilang koponan. No? BMEG has that shot blocker in Denzel Bowles. Right now, with Donnell Harvey sitting down, wala na silang shot blocker, except if you consider Ali Pig to be a shot blocker. And that's why atake sila na atake sa loob eh. Kumpiyansa sila that they can attack the basket and go strong to the hole.
Complete reversal naman yan dito sa Token Tex. Token Tex is forced to take the outside shots dahil nakasona na rin itong BMEG. Ayun, ganda ng sona nila sa loob. Ang tibay.